Senjalo Ungqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle uLindiwe Zulu usishayale ihlombe isabelomali sika Godongwane wathi silinganise konke. iFreedom Front Plus ithi abantu mabangakhohliswa inkulumo kaGodongwana. Iphini lomholi we-IFP iNkosi Mzamo Buthelezi uthi inkulumo kaNgqongqoshe ibumkhankaso wokhetho njengoba esho into abantu abafuna ukuzwa.
The minister was actually saying all the good things that people like to hear, but the fact of the matter is, it doesn't matter how much money gets allocated to different departments, they are all underperforming. Some can't even spend their allocation.
They tried to do an elections budget. That's why they didn't increase the fuel levy as they have always done in the past. That's why they've decided to increase social grants by 100 rands.
What is very exciting for us is the money that's being put more on infrastructure, money that's put in more in looking for job creation, money that's put in them to make sure that the economy grows.
It was a disappointment, but much of what I anticipated has actually occurred. Transnet alone has resulted in 56 billion rand loss of income for our reserves, and this is untenable.
He could have cut the VAT by, for example, expanding the zero VAT rated basket of food. He could have cut the fuel tax, and he could have made food less expensive, but never did that.
We've got an informal economy that is worth over 500 billion rands per annum, and majority of the traders there are not South African, and they are making use of the infrastructure of South Africans' public services, but they're not contributing anything in terms of taxes.